Hello everyone, welcome back to Homemade Gourmet. Today I'm sharing a simple recipe for healthy homemade dog cookies made with oats, pumpkin, sweet potato and natural peanut butter. The ingredients are simple. Take 2 cups of oats and grind them to a smooth flour. Add it to a bowl. Take 1/2 cup of peanuts and make it to a peanut paste. Add it to the same bowl. Now take cooked pumpkin and sweet potato and mash it. So it should be equal to almost 2 cups. Add it to the same bowl and mix the dough to a smooth dough. Mix everything together until it forms a soft dough. If the dough feels little dry, add water 1 tablespoon at a time until it comes together nicely. Lightly dust your work surface with oat flour and roll out the dough into about a 1/4 inch thickness. Now comes the fun part. Cut the dough into your favorite shapes. You can use bone-shaped cookie cutters, paws, hearts, or simply cut them into squares, as I have done. Bake it in a preheated oven at 170 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes or until the cookies are firm. If your dog prefers crunchy biscuits, turn off the oven and leave them inside for another 30 to 60 minutes. Once completely cooled, store them in an airtight container. They'll stay fresh for about 4 to 5 days at room temperature and up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator, or you can freeze them. While these cookies were cooling down, my little baby Babu was patiently waiting for his special treat. And one of the sweetest parts is watching Nishit happily give Babu his cookies. It's little moment they both look forward to every time. Nothing compares to seeing that wagging tail and those happy eyes. Homemade treats made with love make our furry family members just as happy as they make us.
Up. Eklen sang kanishit. Up mana.
Up, get up.
Kasante.
Up, Kusanya. Up.
If you enjoyed this
Jump,
recipe,
jump.
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Homemade Gourmet. See you in the next video. Bye.